Welcome back friends to our Facebook page. We are going to make beautiful rose flower. Cut a pink ribbon, then we are going to fold it, make multiple folds, and then we are going to cut it and sew it in the center like this. After that we are going to slowly remove all the flowers in circular form like this, and look at these beautiful roses. We are going to take these purple and white ribbons and paste all the pieces on double-sided tape. Remove the thread and look at the beautiful texture. Now roll it around a green stick. Paste its leaves like this, and look, your beautiful flower stick is ready. You can make more such flowers. Let's make beautiful flower using fruit foam net. We are cutting pink and white foam net. Cut the strands. After that you will get a shape. Paste double-sided tape on it. Roll it and tie a thread like this. Now we are going to make white pom-pom balls. Paste it on the pink flower, and look how pretty these flowers are looking. Look at these beautiful rose flowers, how pretty these are looking. Let's make them. We are going to fold a pink craft paper, and then we are making a beautiful petal out of it. Cut a shape. Now open the flower, and look, it is looking like this. After that we are going to curl its edges like this, and look, it is ready. Make more such shapes. Now we are going to fold it and put glue on it and combine all of them like this and make a rose flower. We are going to repeat the process from the ends. We are going to paste all of them and put the shape on it, and continue the process of pasting all the petals one after another. We are going to put the folded petals on another flower and repeat the process of pasting all of them together like this until we get a beautiful rose. After that we are going to make the sepal of the flower by folding the green craft paper, cut it and curl the edges, put a green stick like this and paste the flower on it, paste its leaves, and look, your rose flower is ready.